First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, depending on your phone brand, the steps might look a little different, but don't worry, this method works for almost all Android devices. Next, go to Apps. Then scroll and find the Settings app in the list. Open it and then tap on Storage. Here, press Clear Data and Clear Cache. This will remove any temporary issues that could be hiding the fingerprint option. After that, go back again to the Apps page. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select Reset App Preferences. This will reset all app permissions and default settings without deleting your data. If you don't see the Reset App Preferences option, here's another way. Open Manage Apps, go to Other Settings, then Default Apps, and finally choose Reset to Default. Now go back to your Settings menu, and you should see the fingerprint option showing again. If it's still missing, restart your phone and check one more time.